Hello, Luann here. Today I'm going to show you how you can edit your event details and how you can set your markups in your profile. Let's get started. We're on the home page of EveryStem right now, and the first thing we're going to want to do is go ahead and click on our dashboard. When you click on your dashboard, you'll see all the events that you have created so far. And let's say, for example, that we started an event called our Spring Online Offering Menu. But we need to make some more adjustments to this, and we're going to finish filling out our recipes. Let's go ahead and click on the Spring Online Offering Menu event. That will open the event. And I know it's a spring menu, but I want to make sure that I note that it's 2022. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the Event Details button. That opens up the details so that I can make adjustments. In the event name, I'm going to go ahead and add 2022. And in the description, I'm also going to put a little bit of information. I'm going to say that this is for seasonal daily deliveries. And that way, when I look back, if I search for any of this information, it will show up in my dashboard. I can also change my primary markup and my secondary markup for this event right here in the event details. If I want to try a 5 times markup on my flowers, I can adjust that right here and click close. Now my event is ready for me to start building out my recipes. If I want to change my markups for all of my events going forward, I'm going to go ahead and click on the navigation icon at the top that says Profile. Click on my profile. Then I will go ahead and click on Edit Profile. Here I can change my markup and my secondary markup. So if I mark up all my flowers 4 times and I mark up all my hard goods and other items 2 times, I can go ahead and enter that here, and it will be set for every new event that I create. Now when I go back to my dashboard, create a new event, and add the date. Once I open this event up, you'll see that in my event details, my primary markup is 4 and my secondary markup is 2 because that's what I've set in my profile as my default markups. If you have any questions about markups or you have any questions about changing your event details, please reach out via email.